one of very simple activities that you will be involved in, that is called risk-taking activity. It is very simple. Either a group of 3 or 5, you need to be over here. Risk-taking is something, the guts what you have and confidence what you have. What confidence you have, what guts you have, how much focus you are on your goal. That is important to understand. And this is a matter of practice. In entrepreneurship, it is very important to take risk. Risk-taking is one of the fundamental components for any entrepreneur. But the risk should not be so much that you could not do anything. Risk must be calculated. Calculated risk means you need to balance yourself, you need to judge your guts and feeling and confidence. Accordingly move on. So this simple activity is very simple. Later on we will slot many other activities as well, activities on the innovation, activities on the critical thinking and all. And such class will determine that how much marks the faculty should slot you. Should it be 98 out of 100 or should it be 8 out of 100? It all depends upon how much you are active to participate in all such activities.
और ये कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क है. यू शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि किस नंबर से आप कवर कर सकते हैं और आपकी टीम पे ही आपका परफॉर्मेंस डिपेंड होगा. अगर बार बार 0 मिलेगा, दैट मीन्स यू एज अ इंडिविजुअल ओनली यू विल बी नॉट एट द लॉस, बट आपकी टीम एज अ लॉस पे रहेगी. इज इट क्लियर? द फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट वी आर हैविंग इज अभिषेक. ही इज फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग A division. Okay. He will be given a 3 chance. I repeat, he will be given a 3 chance. The first is Sayam. This is the team lead. 1, 2, 2 and 0. 1. Yes. 1. Very good. 2. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, 2. Very good.